So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP JPY. So if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Guys, if you take a look at this GBP, right, you can see that our trend on our GBP, right, is on an uptrend move. So basically, this is our full trend on our GBP. We are very much in an uptrend move. As you can see, the market is clearly trending to the upside. Now, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you will not miss out on next updates. Make sure you like, follow the Telegram channel, and also click on the subscribe button so you will not miss out on next update. If you take a look at this GBP, you can clearly see that we are trending to the upside. The market is what? Giving us what? A series of higher and higher low. Now, zoom it out right here. It is very clear that market is trending to the upside. This is a bullish move. The market has literally been trending to the upside for a while, right? Now, if you are to zoom it in right here, you see that market has literally given us a pullback right here, right? And we've gotten what? A double bottom. This is a double bottom right here, which indicates, right, a reversal movement, right? Now, if you take a look at this movement right here, market was able to push up, then came back. Now, market was able to push up again, then it has come back again to give us a pullback, right? This is a pullback. Now that market has given us a pullback, what should we be expecting next on our JPY? Of course, we should be expecting another bullish move that should push up, able to take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting on GBPJPY. So whatever you want to be doing on your GBPJPY, you want to be going right as a bullish move is what we're expecting next. Right now, let's go down to our 4-hour time frame, guys. So on this our 4-hour time frame, so on this our 4-hour time frame, we are currently at a level which is at this result. So this level was once a ranging market move, right? Market was rejected from this zone multiple times. I mean, this is the level right here. Market has once rejected from this zone multiple times. Market is now currently at that level. So this is one of the reasons why we are going to be having a rejection, thereby making market to give us a bullish move for it. So we've gotten a multiple rejection at this zone right here, right? As you can see, once market comes there, you get to see a multiple rejection. Now the market has pushed up to break above it, has now come back to retest it. We should now be expecting market to reject from this level and continue to push up. So this is one of the reasons why I said a bullish move we are going to be expecting on our. Now, guys, a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting on our GBPJPY, right? Now, let's take a look at this movement right here on our 1-hour time frame, right? So we've gotten this, which is double bottom right here. You can see it right here, 1-hour time frame, double bottom. And you all know what double bottom is. It means a reversal movement. So now the market has given us a sell, put buy, right? You can wait for your pullback and then another buy. So above all, a bullish move is still what we are going to be expecting on our GBPJPY. Now, if there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Also, make sure you follow the Telegram. Find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.